Hello and welcome back. It's now time to introduce generics. Generics is a quite complicated topic when you first approach it, but it becomes more easier when you start using it and observe all the benefits that it brings. In the last videos, we were using a repository pattern to deal with our data access, and yet it was reasonable as we were having only few entities. But what if you have like 100 or 1,000 entities? Can you go and build a giant repository to deal with them? Of course no. There have to be a better way, and that way is the use of template-driven environment or the placeholder that can act as a general blueprint for all of your data. Generics help you to avoid code repetition as you are having a general blueprint for all the same requirements. The .NET framework is built using many generics, and we rather use them than creating them. And there are some generics that are a default into the framework, and there are the other ones that we need to create ourselves. And even if we didn't indicate that we are using generics, we're already using them. Whenever you see an angle bracket followed by a type, you are already using a generic type. Generics also help us with the type safety, as we use the T as the placeholder for each type. And at the time of use, you replace the T with the required type. Generics on their own can have many cons, as they are too general. And in some cases, we need to get the specific data accordingly. For example, returning paginated data, filtering and sorting, and other required parameters. With generics, it's impossible. But when you combine it with the specification pattern, it helps you to indicate what behavior you actually need from the generics. The specification patterns gives you the flexibility to choose the types and behavior that you need in your results. This was a bit of an introduction about generics. But to better grasp all about them, let's put up our sleeves and get ready to work and see how they work in the practical way.